Hi, welcome to Baking with Sarah, coming to you from a brand new kitchen. Yep, I had to move. I had to leave that beautiful vintage stove behind. But sometimes in life, you gotta leave it behind, shake it off, and start fresh. That's exactly what I'm doing here today. Fresh space, fresh bake, and fresh mindset. Freshity, fresh. But before we start baking, I wanna say something to all my fellow single moms. You're killing it. I am a single mom to a 2-year-old boy. He is the joy of my life, but sometimes I wanna tell him, go to sleep. You get it. You're not alone. Today, we're making lemon blueberry muffins. Guaranteed to put a smile on your face and your kid's face and anybody else you want to share it with. Everybody will be smiling. Oh, and they go great with your morning cup of coffee. Let's start baking. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a 12-count muffin pan with non-stick spray. Whisk the flour, baking soda, boop, baking powder, boop, and salt, boop, together in a medium bowl. Whisk. Ooh, she's beautiful. Beat the butter and sugar together on high speed until smooth and creamy. Mix. Let me show you what the lemon looks like after you take the rind off of it. Naked lemon! Oh, where are my clothes? Sorry, lemon. It's okay. Add the lemon zest and mix on medium speed. Add the eggs, boop, boop. Add your sour cream, plop. Your vanilla, boop. Mixy mix. Scrape. With the mixer running on low, add the milk, plop, bloop, lemon juice, bloop. Then add the dry ingredients. Mix. Whenever you're baking, taste stuff. Why not? Especially the batter. Got your spatula? Yum. Whew, yummy. Toss your blueberries with 1 tablespoon of flour. Gently fold the blueberries into your batter. Don't overmix. You want the batter to stay thick and fluffy. Be careful. Don't hurt the blueberries. Spoon the batter into the prepared muffin cups. Boop. Shake. You don't have to put a crumb topping on your muffin. I love it. Butter, brown sugar. Why wouldn't you add it? I doubled the recipe for the crumb topping. I like a little extra. Biggie. Boop. Mix the flour, brown sugar, and butter to make the crumb topping. Smush it up. Squish. Look at that, perfect crumb topping. Sprinkle. Ta-da! Going in the oven. Bake for 5 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While the muffins are baking, coffee. Your favorite cup, this machine in the morning. I call this Chicken Man oat milk. We got our beans. Like so. The go button. Oh, there it is, optimal zone. Reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bake those muffins for additional 18 minutes. Don't be afraid to boop it. Boop, boop, boop. They look perfect. Muffins are done. Now, is that a blueberry muffin or is that a blueberry muffin? Take a look. I think we should taste it. Oh my God. So blueberry, so lemony. Perfection. Oh, gotta have a sip of coffee. New kitchen, new bakes, still me. Same orange mixer, same boops, always. A delicious baked good and a great cup of coffee. If you're into simple, comforting bakes mixed in with a little real mom chaos, come to this cozy corner of the internet. Boop that bell and subscribe, and let's bake something delicious and have some coffee. We deserve it. Happy baking!